Coming into Enel, it just felt like I belonged here from the very beginning. It's just like a big family.
It's different every day. It's exciting, challenging, and incredibly rewarding.
From top to bottom, people are very much aligned behind our mission, and I think there's a sense that what we're doing is something good for society and for the world.
To be part of a company that's really changing the game with how we use energy, and that's inspiring.
You know, having the opportunity, I think, to work on some of the projects that I've worked on here is, really exciting, and I think it's something that definitely gives me a lot of pride.
I fall in love with the industry. I fall in love with what it means to be part of something bigger than yourself.
Even things that you do here makes a difference in other parts of the world. Knowing that, seeing that, living that makes a lot of difference.
It's the people. I just love the openness, the trust that I feel with my team, the other departments around here. It's a really rewarding place to be.
Enel doesn't sit and wait for change to happen. They make the change happen.